Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku Premiere. Let's go. Connect the Roku Premiere to the power supply and to the TV via HDMI. Wait, if you are not logged in, you will need to select the language, time, Wi-Fi and log into your Roku account. After that, you will be able to use Roku Premiere. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku Premiere. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.